Hello and welcome to our latest video. Today, we're taking you to the heart of innovation and sustainability in Dubai, where the world's first entirely 3D printed building has been unveiled. This building is not just a feat of engineering, but a testament to the power of technology and sustainability in construction. In this video, we'll be diving into the facts and features of this revolutionary building, showcasing the cutting-edge technology that made it possible and the many benefits that come with 3D printing in construction. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed by the world's first entirely 3D printed building. The building was created using a process called contour crafting, which allowed for the entire structure to be printed in just 17 days. The 3D printed building has a unique design with curved walls and intricate details that would have been impossible to create using traditional construction methods. The building uses a special type of concrete that is both strong and sustainable, reducing the environmental impact of construction. The use of 3D printing technology allowed for the building to be created with fewer workers and in less time compared to traditional construction methods. This building is just the beginning and is expected to pave the way for more sustainable and efficient construction in the future. The technology used in this building could also have potential applications in disaster relief, as 3D printed buildings can be created quickly in areas with limited access. The building is expected to be a tourist attraction in Dubai, showcasing the innovative technology and design capabilities of 3D printing. The building is a significant milestone in the development of 3D printing technology, demonstrating its potential for revolutionizing the construction industry. In conclusion, the world's largest 3D building in Dubai is a remarkable feat of engineering and innovation. The building serves as a testament to the potential of 3D printing technology in revolutionizing the construction industry, offering efficient and sustainable solutions. Discover the wonders of our world and be inspired. Hit the subscribe button and join us on a journey of exploration and amazement.